In a world that moves fast, innovation is the key. At IZICHANGE, we choose to innovate to serve. IZICHANGE is a platform that makes access to cryptocurrency simple with payment method tailored to African realities. You want to buy or sell your crypto assets and much more? With IZICHANGE, it only takes few clicks. Choose your cryptocurrencies, select your payment method, and receive your funds wherever you are. But IZICHANGE is more than just crypto transactions. You can also create and top up your virtual cards and MasterCards. Use them for only shopping, subscription, or international payment with total ease. And whenever you need to withdraw your available funds from the card instantly. On IZICHANGE, you also get a secure wallet designed to give you a clear view of your balances and transactions at any time. And because your loyalty deserves more, we create Easy Rewards, an exclusive program that turns your referral and transaction into real rewards. Behind IZICHANGE is a passionate team working every day to innovate, improve, and serve you better. Now we are present in over 17 countries across Africa. IZICHANGE is bringing Africans closer to the world of crypto through simple, fast, and secure solution. IZICHANGE innovates to serve. In a world that moves fast, innovation is the key. At IZICHANGE, we choose to innovate to serve. IZICHANGE is a platform that makes access to cryptocurrency simple with payment method tailored to African realities. You want to buy or sell your crypto assets and much more? With IZICHANGE, it only takes few clicks. Choose your cryptocurrencies, select your payment method, and receive your funds wherever you are. But IZICHANGE is more than just crypto transactions. You can also create and top up your virtual cards and MasterCards. Use them for only shopping, subscription, or international payment with total ease. And whenever you need to withdraw your available funds from the card instantly. On IZICHANGE, you also get a secure wallet designed to give you a clear view of your balances and transactions at any time. And because your loyalty deserves more, we create Easy Rewards, an exclusive program that turns your referral and transaction into real rewards. Behind IZICHANGE is a passionate team working every day to innovate, improve, and serve you better. Now we are present in over 17 countries across Africa. IZICHANGE is bringing Africans closer to the world of crypto through simple, fast, and secure solution. IZICHANGE innovates to serve. Hello, IZICHANGE lovers. We are pleasure to have you here. If you are hearing us well, put a heart in the comment section and make sure you listen to us very well because we have something very important at the end of this live to be shared. So just put a heart and let us know the country you are watching us from. So we are following. Yeah, Mr. Joseph Morotona, if I'm spelling it well. Good evening. How are you doing? Hope you are fine. Please share the live. It's going to be an exclusive live and make sure you are with us. Beaton Kevin, hi from Kenya. Peter, I think all these people are hearing us, and we are very, very well pleasure to have you among us here. We are going to have a very important debate here, a very important topic that will be interesting. And mind you, I'm not alone, I'm with a special guest. But before getting into that, I'm sure most of you want to know my name. My name is Christiani Dovonu. I'm business developer at EasyChain. So, like I said, there's something important at the end of this life to be shared. So, we are here with Mr. Samuel Oshuala. But before I will allow him to present himself, the main topic of today is the understanding of USDT, how it works, why it matters, and the global impact it have today. So I will allow Mr. Samuel Oshuala to present himself.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, wherever you are streaming from. All right, yeah, this is Samuel. You can call me Crypto Sound. Yeah, I'm a blockchain, Web3, and crypto educator. Okay, and today I will be explaining to us why stablecoins like USDT exist, what it solves, and how to effectively use USDT or any stablecoins safely. Yeah, so I will like to encourage us to stay to the end of this live stream. And I believe and I bet you are definitely going to learn something new today. Yeah, from this live stream. Yeah.
Thank you, Samuel, for this beautiful presentation.
Okay,
I'm well
Christian,
pleased
you can
to have you
continue.
here as guests. And before I will allow you to get into the main topic of today, we are going to check once again if our those people that are at the back of their screen are hearing us very well. So if you are hearing us, please put a heart and let us know that you are with us. And please make sure you are very audible and hearing us very well from wherever you are. You also can put the flag of the country in which you are watching us from. So we get into that. Yes, Mr. Sewanu, we are here. Um, Akilas, thank you. Beaton Kevin. So I think they are hearing us very well. We are going to get into the main topic of today. And before getting into that, we will allow Mr. Samuel to explain to us what is really USDT.
All right, thank you very much for this question. Okay, it's an interesting one, too. Okay, yeah, so USDT is just a dollar, a digital dollar that operates on the blockchain, not like your regular dollar that you know. Okay, USDT is a it's a digital dollar that operates on blockchain, and it is issued by Tether, a company called Tether. That is why you have the T there. So it is USD Tether. All right. And now the importance of USDT is that yeah, USDT is more flexible when you want to use it. You can use it to make cross-border payments, do whatever you want to do with it. And it also is transparent. Whatever you are doing, yeah, because it's recorded on the blockchain. Every details you do, everything you do everything you do with USDT is being recorded on the blockchain. So this makes it very much transparent, and it is very fast while making transactions compared to your normal regular local currency that you are using right now. USDT is very fast and it's way cheaper while making transaction in terms of transaction fees. Yeah.
Thank you, Samuel. I hope everyone heard Mr. Samuel. He said USDT is also named as Theta. For those of you that don't know that USDT is also named as Theta, today you learned something new. USDT is also named as Theta and it's very, very transparent. So we are going to move into the main and our next question for this live. We want to understand, Mr. Samuel, why did the need of for a digital dollar emerge within the crypto ecosystem today?
All right. The next question. Okay, yeah. Before USDT, there was a problem in the space, which is volatility. Okay, we all know that crypto in general is volatile. Okay, and then yeah, without volatility, we cannot trade crypto, we cannot make money from crypto. But aside this, there's always the problem that volatility also costs, and this is why USDT was introduced into the space for users, for crypto users to be able to hold and move their assets through blockchain without experiencing any form of volatility, like when you are holding Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies that are volatile. So USDT was just there for us to, not to experience volatility. Yeah, so that is it.
Okay, thank you for this explanation for USDT. And also, I think before USDT, I think users were facing a concrete issue with USDT, but they were facing a real issue before the coming of USDT. Can you expand that to us?
Okay, yeah. Now, this also brought us to the first question. Okay, for you, which is before USDT emerged. Now, some of the problems were payments. Why making payments? Also, transaction fees. Also, delays in transactions. Traders also have their issues. Merchants as well also have their issues as well. Now, let me talk about payments for an example. Let's say, for example, there was no USDT. We only have Bitcoin and others, which are volatile cryptocurrency. And yeah, you want to buy something online using Bitcoin, and you make a payment to this merchant, let's say $100 in equivalent to Bitcoin. So you send $100 in equivalent to this merchant. And after making payment, the merchant call you back and said, no, the money you sent is not complete. You are supposed to send 100 USDT. What I receive is 90 USDT. But when you are sending it, you said 100 actually. But because of volatility, maybe Bitcoin price have dropped. The money is now $90, right? Yeah. So this was one of the major issues why making payment. There's always it's either the price, it's either the money will go up, will increase, or it will reduce. Right now, I want to talk about transaction fees also. Right, there was a time Bitcoin transaction fees rose up to $10 to $12, irrespective of how much you are sending. Even if you are sending $5 worth of Bitcoin, it's the same transaction fee you are going to pay. So imagine you trying to pay for a service worth $5, and you are being asked to pay $10 or $12 transaction fees. It's crazy, right? Yeah, but this was the reality. All right. And also, also we also have delays in transaction. Okay, before now, everybody was trying to use Bitcoin, and just one network. Sometimes there is the network is over congested. So meaning that when it's over congested, there's always a delay. You can wait up to 5 minutes to receive your Bitcoins. Sometimes, yeah, it can be more than that. I experienced it back then. All right. Now, USDT, such thing does not happen because USDT right now is on different network. Literally, if I'm not mistaken, more than 10 network. That is why we have USDT right now. So the USDT network is very fast, and transaction fee is very, very minimum compared to Bitcoin and the others right now. Another one is trading. This is very important to us
Okay.
as users and traders. Let's say, for example, you are trading cryptocurrency right now, you are in profit, and the coin you are trading is volatile. And the only means for you to take your profit is through Bitcoin or Ethereum. And we all know that Bitcoin and Ethereum are also volatile, right? This means that you are also in the market. Even if you take your profit and the money is still on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you are still in the market because the Bitcoin is volatile, Ethereum is volatile. What if the market now dips? Your profit will be gone because the market will take your profit back from you through Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so with USDT right now, if you don't want to trade anymore, you want to take your profits, you can just easily convert or sell your coin to stable coins like USDT or USDC, and the money will just be there because USDT is a stable coin that does not fluctuate pegged to $1. Okay, another one is merchants. Okay, just the way I explained about payments, same thing applies to merchants as well. Merchant will receive payments now, the next moment the money has dropped, and the merchant needs this money to go for business to continue, but it cannot continue because yeah, the Bitcoin he received from someone that is worth $1,000 is now $900. So Does the merchant have to wait for Bitcoin to go up again for it to sell his Bitcoin? Of course, no, because business must continue. So this was one of the major issues we were facing back then when there was no USDT. But thank God for USDT is here right now. Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Samuel, for
That's
this very brief and long, long and brief at the same time, though. Allow me to say it like that,
yeah,
but very brief and long
interesting.
explanation. And that was really thoughtful and really, really nourish. So, like me and you, some people are in the world like that, that they are scared to invest on or making um trading or something like that, or not using USDT for other coins at all. Can you tell those people, like what advice do you have for those people?
Okay, okay, yeah. It's important for you to understand the differences between cryptocurrencies. USDT is a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is also a cryptocurrency. We have stable coins and we have volatile currencies. So if you are someone that wants to come in and you are scared of volatility, you should be looking at stable coins like USDT. Let's say if you're a business person, you want to be accepting
Yeah.
USDT for your business, your best bet is USDT, which is stable coins. It does not fluctuate. If I pay you right now, if I give you 10 USDT for a service, even if you want to leave that money in your wallet in next 2 years, it's still going to be 10 USDT in equivalent to dollars. Okay. So having one USDT is like you are having $10 in your wallet. So your best bet will be USDT. You don't have to fear about volatility at all. Volatility does not hit USDT. It's always applicable to volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so you can come into the space right now. We have USDT now, so you don't have anything to fear. All right, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Samuel. Before we move on, we are going to check if our listeners are really listening to us. And if they are there, if they have some question, we are going to pick one or two questions and move on to our topic.
All
So
right.
I'm seeing here they are still there with us. Someone said he's really hearing us. Someone said he's really hearing us. And yeah, we have a question here. Um, a moment, checking. Someone is asking the advantage of USDT compared to other stable coins.
All right. Should they answer this now? Or okay, yeah. The advantage is liquidity. Okay. Just like you
Okay?
are asking what is the advantage of holding bitcoins compared to other cryptocurrencies right now,
Yeah,
it's liquidity and
yeah.
security. So USDT have more security right now because USDT is the pioneer of all stablecoins. So if you are holding USDT right now, you are rest assured that yes, you are at the right place. Okay, and anytime you want to exchange your USDT, there's always a market for it. The market is very, very liquid. So that is the advantage of USDT over every other USDT for now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Um, does USDT still address the original need for today's world?
That question is for me, right?
That
Right
is a
now.
yeah, that is a big question. In fact, that is a big question. So
USDT. Yes, 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 yes. USDT does. Yeah. USDT is still pegged to a dollar. Having one USDT is still like you are having $1 in your wallet. USDT is still very flexible and transparent. You can trade the tweet quickly. You can move funds across chains and platforms without immediate bank conversion. So USDT still, yes, the answer is typical yes for now.
all right, all right. We are still going to go back to our comment section to check if our listeners are there, because they are the one watching us. We have to make sure they are hearing us 101
Yeah,
and also take some question. That is very important. So
yeah,
I
yeah.
think Mr. Peter is asking, is it possible to invest in USDT and have profits?
No, Now, this
Yeah, we
question is
are
just like
really there for you to yeah,
yeah, this question is just like you are asking, is it possible to invest in dollars right now? Right?
exactly.
Yeah. USDT. Now, to make money in the market, in the crypto space, there must be volatility. The market must go up and it must come down. Okay. USDT is not for trading. It's not basically for investment purpose. All right. USDT is to create stability, not to for gains. It's for stability. However, USDT sometimes can go, can lose some fraction of microcents. I call it microcents, and also go up again. But in general, if I want to give an advice, I would say no, USDT is not for investment purpose, right? Because
All
yeah,
right.
there's no volatility attached to it.
All right. All right. Okay. I think we've answered that person. That was Mr. Peter that was asking that. Before we move on to our next question and make sure that everyone is there with us, we are going to ask them some people who are not that who are in the live and does not have an easy change account or does not follow easy change at all. We are inviting you to go to our through our account and follow us. Maybe not having the KYC, follow us and also making some transaction with us. EasyChain is a very lovely platform. So we are going to move on. We are going to check again in the comment section if we are having some question. Okay. Okay, I think Mr. Muse is asking, USDT is the best stable cryptocurrency. Is there another stable coin similar to USDT? That question is for you, Samuel.
Yes, yes, yes. There is another. We have so many stable coins out there. Okay, but USDT is the most widely spoken about because it's the pioneer, just like Bitcoin. Like I said earlier, yes, we have a cycle which is USDC. Okay, just the same way USDT function, that is the same way USDC also function. But the difference is that they are being issued by different company. Okay, USDT is for Tether, while USDC is for Cycle. The last C in the USDC is Cycle, while the
All
last
right.
T in the USDC is Tether. Yes, so the answer is yes, there is.
Okay, I think that person really understand. They really make a differentiation between USDT, which is for Theta. The T at the end, me, I'm not understanding here as Theta, and the C at the end of USDC is cycle. I think we answered that. Someone is asking which USDT network is the fastest.
It all depends. Sometimes some network might be congested, while sometimes it should just be free. Okay, it all depends on the time you are using it. So there is no one that is faster or the one that is slower. All right, it all depends, and also
Than the
you
other
take a look
one.
at before you use them. Yeah, one is the transaction fees. Sometimes it's what you have to consider, and others. But yeah, they are all fast. Yeah, just know when to make transactions. That's just it. Yeah, they are all okay. I won't say one is faster than the other now. No, no. Although
Yeah,
yeah,
the
they
other.
are.
All right. All right. Why is USDT a stability tool rather than a speculative asset?
Whew. Okay, yeah.
We have tough question for you.
This is easy though. This is easy though. Yeah. USDT is designed to avoid and beat stability. Sorry, volatility. I mean, okay, and not those that seek quick gains. Based on the person that asked question the last time, USDT is to beat volatility, not for gains, because USDT does not fluctuate. It does not fluctuate,
Okay.
and it is designed to track the US dollar at 1:1. which is having one USDT right now is like having $1 in your account. I've said this before. Okay, which and this makes it a stable coin. Okay, because of the the pegging and the ratio. Yeah, that is just the straight question to this answer.
All right, thank you. We would like to know how is the objective of USDT different from the or from that of Bitcoin.
Okay, the objective. Okay, I think I will say that right now is stability versus scarcity. Yeah, yeah. Stability versus scarcity. While USDT keeps volume stable and enable
Yeah.
fast transfers on blockchain. Bitcoin, on the other hand, acts as a scarce, yeah, and store of value. This is just the difference. Bitcoin is a store of value, while USDT is there to keep stability and makes things faster for us,
So
transparent
how
and
does
without
it affect users' behavior?
why it affects users' behavior. Okay, USDT. Yeah, okay, USDT are everyday. Yeah, USDT is for everyday crypto users. All right, everyday crypto users need USDT to move funds frequently, trade frequently, and never experience volatility. Unlike Bitcoin, holders are those that are holding for long term and expect price swing for potential gains. Yeah, so if you're holding Bitcoin right now, you're holding Bitcoin for a potential gain. And if you're holding USDT right now, it's certain that you are not expecting any gain. Just want to use it for to move funds quickly and also never experience anything like volatility. Yeah, that's
All
it, just
right.
it.
All right.
That's the difference.
So we are going to check once again in the comment section because our focus has to be on them because they are with
Yeah.
us, and we are going to check always if they are still there with us. I'm seeing some question here. Samuel, should I should I read the question to you, or we should pass them? Because I think they are really there for you today.
You can just pick you can just pick some of the questions. Just pick any of the questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone is asking, the staking of USDT, is it good? Is it a good way for you?
Yes. This is a very interesting question. I love this question. Yeah. Personally, I love this question. Okay. Now, in this space, in the crypto space, before you stake any cryptocurrency, don't look at the APY, the money you are going to make at the end of your staking. You also have to consider the volatility of the market. What if I stake Bitcoin right now, or if I stake Ethereum right now, and currently right now, Bitcoin price is let's say $60,000 right now. By the time I want to unstake, what if will Bitcoin dip down to $30,000, $30K, or will it go up? Okay. If it goes up before then, yes, you are in double profits, right? But what if it comes down? If it dips, you are at lost already because the interest you are going to make from staking bitcoins, maybe your losses might not be able to cover it. Okay.
Sure.
Sometimes you don't have to be too greedy. Go for something that is more convenient for you. Now, stable coins, you are good like USDT. It's to me, I see, yeah, it's more ideal to stake USDT because if you stake 100 or 1,000 USDT today, in 5 years' time to come, you are still going to take your 1,000 USDT and your profits. The USDT will not lose value, it will not increase in value. You only make your profits. Okay. But yeah, if you don't care whether you lose or if you make profits, you can go ahead with every other volatile cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. But if you care much about volatility, your asset losing value, yeah, USDT is the best bit for you to stake if you want to stake any cryptocurrency. Yeah.
Okay, great. But my question for you, aside from USDT, is there any other crypto that someone can stake aside from USDT that is a stable coin?
Yeah, we have USDC. USDC is there. USDE is there. There are other stable coins as well. Each platforms are trying to launch their own stable coins right now. Like
Table coin.
PayPal now. PayPal have its own already also. PYUSD, right?
Okay.
So there are so many stable
Okay.
coins out there today. You just have to look for a platform that you can stake this particular stable coins you want to stake. Yeah.
Okay. So I have a beautiful question for you here in the comment section. In the event of a major banking crisis, how quickly can Tether guarantee liquidity for users on local platform like EasyChange?
Whew. This is tough. This person, this is tough. All right. First and foremost, we have to understand that USDT just is not involved with any local bank or whatsoever, and it's not a government owned. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you have USDT and there is a crisis in your local bank, and you want to easily, sharp, and quick, as fast as possible, convert your USDT to your local currency and just get out. USDT is there for you 24/7. It's not like your bank that they will tell you that, oh, we are closed for today. The network is not stable. Please come back tomorrow. Trying to make transfer. Your app is not working. Your app is not loading. It's not like that. Everything USDT runs on blockchain, okay? And blockchain is 24 hours, 247. It does not shut down. It's always online. So you can always access your funds. Now, with easy change, you can easily, all right, convert your, what was it called, your USDT to your local currency, without having any stress.
Any
Okay, so the
strengths?
bottom line, yes. So the bottom line here is that USDT is always on chain. It's always online 24/7. It does not go offline. Okay, so yeah, I hope I answered your question. I hope I answered
Yeah,
this question.
you answered the person question. Uh, Aside from that, we are going to move. I don't know if there's another question on the comment section. Okay. The person, I think Mr. Junior said your transaction fees are too high in Kenya. We are going to take him personally to see what is his really need at the end of the live. Someone is asking, is there an institution for someone who controls the amounts of USDT present on the markets?
Okay. All right. So it's a decentralized market. All right. USDT is decentralized. Decentralized is putting you in charge. Okay. The only thing they do is to issue USDT out there. Now it is for you to acquire as much USDT you want to acquire. Let's say you want to convert your local currency, your Bitcoin and others to USDT, let's say $1 million or whatsoever. You can do that. Nobody will question you. Nobody will query you. Now, the only way you have issue is that if what you are doing is an illicit activities, USDT is not for illicit activities. Okay, let's say for example you are into illicit activities and you try to, for you to be safer, you move your money to USDT. You are not safe. Okay, sorry to say. All right. Your funds can actually be frozen if you are being reported and they track the account that funds transferred USDT to. Okay, so your funds can easily be frozen because this is because USDT is in affiliate with the government. Okay, so anytime government call them, yeah, they can easily answer them. Yeah, but
Okay.
that does not mean that it's not decentralized. Yeah, it's decentralized in a way because you can do anything with it.
In a way,
But
in
don't just
any way, USDT
yeah,
is decentralized. That's
yeah.
what you
But
mean.
don't just do yeah, in
All
any
right.
way. Sorry. Oh yeah, but don't just do any illicit activities with it. Avoid it, please.
All right. Hope your followers are hearing you. So we are going to move to uh this next question. They are still asking question. Please follow us. We are not going to pick all question and answer. We are just picking some of the question and answer. So sorry if some questions are not really answered. We are going to take one more question and move on. Okay, let's see. Mm, I think someone is asking, how about introducing spot and future trading on EasyChange platform? That is a suggestion, I think. Is taking into account. Okay, we are going to move on. Samuel, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm here, I'm here.
Okay. Why is the importance of emphasizes that USDT does not replace local currency?
The emphasis USDT does not replace local currency. Is that the question? Are you with me?
Why is it important that USDT emphasizes does not replace local currency?
Okay. I hope I'm not rugging. Whew. Okay, now local currency
You are
are
begging
accepted.
at times, but I think they are still hearing us. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Like I've said, USDT cannot replace local currency, irrespective. No matter how hard you try to paint the story that one day is going to replace. Okay, it may happen though, but that might be in the future, not today. Okay, now local currencies are accepted for salaries. Yeah, we all know, for tax purpose, for legal contracts, and they are backed by governments and have backing protections, right? Yeah, unlike USDT, which is issued by a private company, just a private company called Tether. Hmm? And it is mainly used within the crypto space, and it is not legally backed, right? Just like backed or guaranteed, just like the local currencies. So these are the major reasons why we cannot just say, yeah, USDT, is going to replace cryptocurrency for now. No. Yeah, I hope I answered the question.
All right. You answered perfectly.
Thank you.
Followers, are you hearing us? If you are there, please don't forget to share the live to people surrounding you, your community. Share the live and put a heart. We want to make sure you are there with us before we continue. And don't forget, there's a special something. We have 500 USDT to be shared at the end of this live. So that's the reason why we were asking you from the beginning to be very, very attentive, because there will be something really, really interesting at the end, which is the $500 to be shared. Thank you, Mr. Beaton. You are with us. Thank you. Put some heart and share the live surrounding you. Someone is asking, can you bring EasyChain Ambassador program? Yes, EasyChain Ambassador program is open to everyone. So you can chat us from our various channel to discuss about that. We are very open. Okay, Samuel, I think they are hearing us. We are going to move on. In which situation does USD become more practical than local currency?
Okay. Yeah, USDT is very much practical though. Yeah. Example is for cross-border transfers. When banks are slow and expensive, USDT is there to do the work. So USDT uses blockchain to facilitate transactions, and we all know that blockchain is very fast compared to our traditional banking system. Another example is that USDT is very cheap when you want to make transactions. Let's say, for example, I want to send out $1 million right now to someone, across the border or within. Possibly, I might not spend more than $1 doing that. Okay, sending out $1 million, I might not spend up to $1 to send this money if I'm using USDT through the blockchain. But this same thing you cannot do with your local currency, right? To send $1 million or local currency, you can't just go to the bank and say, I want it, or use your app to send $1 million. It's not possible now. How? It's not possible. So these are the problems. Yeah, okay, these are the advantage USDT have over stable coins, okay? And also the transaction fees as well. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for expanding that. So conversely, when the local currency more appropriate? When is the
Okay, yeah.
local conversely is more appropriate?
Okay. I think I get the question. Yeah, local currency is very, very important in our everyday life. Yeah, for our everyday purchase, we need our local currency. At the shop that does not accept crypto, not all platforms accept crypto, not all business owners accept crypto right now. So our local currency is still very, very much important. Okay, and also for paying tax, for paying salaries, for uh, regulated bills and others. Yeah, our local currency, yeah, is ahead. Yeah, I think I answer the
Okay,
question.
so where you are in, yeah, what is the local currency you guys are using?
Yeah, we are using Naira, yeah, Naira in Nigeria, the Nigerian Naira.
Only Naira. Okay,
Yeah,
so for people that are in Ghana, is GHS, and for Kenya is KES, right?
yeah, that's correct.
Yes, would you give to?
Hello.
I put a heart, please. Network. There is a network issue.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you. Let us make sure our followers are hearing us very well.
Okay.
Someone is saying the live is berging network. We are going to check that. Please, you guys to stay in the live. Are you hearing us now? Is someone hearing us? Samuel, are you there? So, someone is saying our local currency in Kenya is chilling. Thank you for telling us that. I was saying cash, so it's chilling. Thank you. Okay, there will be a formula that will be sent at the end of the live for the giveaway. So we are going to send the formula now in the comment section. please make sure you fill up the formula. And why it really matters, what really matters in this formula, please use the address USDT BP20 attached to your wallet easy change. So the formula is saying, please make sure you filled up very clearly from stage one till the end. That is the formula that is going to make you win the 500 USDT. So please make sure you filled up very well. So the link of the formula is pinned on our live. You can check and go quickly into it. So uh, 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 someone says Sam has disappeared. He's going to appear again. We are going to use the magic on him.
Sorry.
Someone is saying, please, dear lady boss, check the. Okay, no problem. We have to work. Mr. Samuel is back. Mr. Frederick, Mr. Samuel is back. You can put a hat for that.
Sorry, my network
Yeah, you can
was.
do it right now, but we have not ended the question yet. So you can follow at the end. The formula is there. You can just go through it and see the question that have been asked in the formula and listen very attentively to the live, please. Okay. Is someone there? Mr. Someone, is your connection, is your network, sorry, good now?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
All right, sorry for that network. Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to continue. Which situation is using USDT a bad idea? I mean, the situation in which using USDT will be a bad idea.
Okay, yeah, I think I got the answer. Actually, I got the question correctly. Okay, yeah, the situation is I would like to say for long-term savings. Yeah, for long-term savings. Yeah, knowing fully well that the company is a private company. Okay, we are still in the early stage. So if you want to hold USDT, let's say you want to hold it for like years, 10 years. I don't think it is practical for me personally, since it's owned by a private company, and yeah, you also need to always be at alert, always follow up to know what is going on with the company. Example, if you have your money in your local bank accounts right now, you always want to know what is going on with the bank, right? You always want to know, is that bank still working? Are they still in operation? So same thing applies here. Okay, so you need to know the kind of amount you want to put on USDT. Don't put in that much. Even if you want to put in that much, know the time frame. All right, and also don't use USDT for illicit activities. Like I said initially, yeah, that is it.
Okay, thank you, Samuel. We are not going because we when your network was not good earlier, we sent the formula for our followers to at least benefit what we are going to share at the end of this live. So there are some questions there they are going to answer. Okay, so we are going to move on. Again, so why is USDT not a universal solution?
Okay, why is USDT not a universal solution? I will say because it solves on-chain stability and liquidity, but does not replace our existing banking services or legal protection or any monetary policy. Yeah, okay, it's only for on-chain activities. Yeah,
Okay, so it's only for chain and activities. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the most common and dangerous mistake during a transfer? And why someone making a transfer? What will be the most common? What is the most common? Like the mistake they do really
Okay, I hope I'm not rugging. This is a very interesting question, though. It's a very interesting question. Okay. Now, some years ago, a friend of mine mistakenly sent
Yeah, sure.
cryptocurrency to an email address instead of a crypto wallet. Of course, the transaction was successful, but he lost the money. The money was lost completely. Okay. So, yeah, if you are sending money when it comes to crypto,
Yeah.
you have to pay a very close attention. You don't send money in a rush. If you're in a hurry, don't open your wallet or try to send any cryptocurrency to anyone. Okay. And yeah, most importantly, you need to always cross-check the wallet address you are sending to. It's very dangerous if you do not check. Always check the wallet address you are sending cryptocurrency to make sure that yes, the wallet address is actually what it is. There is no error in that wallet address. If there's an error, the money might go, but yeah, you have lost it and you have lost it forever. You cannot, no one can access it.
Forever.
Okay, and
Like
secondly
we do
is the
have some
network fee.
people that used to come.
Yeah, yeah, forever. The money is gone forever. If you make
Yes,
any
carry
mistake,
on.
right? Now, yeah, secondly is
Some
the
people.
network. Are you there?
Yes, we are getting you.
Okay, okay. And the second thing to look at is the network you are sending to. Unlike before, where we do not have smart contracts or tokens, all you have is just coin, Bitcoin and others. Right now, we have tokens that are using different network.
Okay.
Let's say USDT for an example. On EasyChange, I think I saw that USDT is they have almost 24 network. I don't know if I'm wrong or correct. I saw 24 different network for USDT. That's massive. You guys are doing great. All right. Now, this network, their wallet address are different. Unless it's a EVM wallet. If it's an EVM wallet, yeah, something like Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Base, Arbitrum, they use the same wallet address in most cases, right? But if it's not an ABM wallet, the wallet address is sorry, the network is different. Their wallet address is always also different. So always make sure that you check the network you are sending to. Example, if you give me your crypto wallet address to send you USDT, and I ask you which of the wallet address is this, I expect you to tell me the network. Okay, I know it's USDT address already, but I'm asking you the network. Which network is this? If you tell me, okay, this is Ethereum network, and I say, okay, then I went ahead and send USDT that I have on base network. The transaction might go, okay, it will definitely go, but that money will be lost forever. Okay. But now in this scenario right now, you will receive it in most cases because it's the same EBM wallet. But let's say if it is outside EBM wallets, let's say something like Tron. Yeah, I think Tron is a perfect example. Okay, you gave me your Ethereum USDT wallet address, and I now send my USDT for my Tron network. That money is lost forever. You will not receive it, and I've lost that money. All right. So it's very important. The wallet address you are sending to, the network must be the same. So pay attention to these details. It's very important. In crypto, any little mistake you made might cost you or will cost you a lot. So it's
I
very important to
think
pay attention
our
to this.
followers are hearing us. Are hearing us. That was a very important point. Mr. Samuel just make and make sure you mention a wallet and why is it a central is it
All right. I hope I'm not rugging. I don't want to rug.
No, you are not rugging. We are following you. So carry on.
Okay, okay, yeah. Why is a crypto wallet is central? Okay, right? Yeah. Now, a crypto wallet is acts is actually a gateway to the blockchain. All right, yeah. It holds your private key or your seed phrase and lets you access your cryptocurrencies or your NFTs, including sending and receiving. Now, I would like to explain this a bit into details, right? If you don't mind. Okay. Now, most of us that are using crypto wallets, we usually thought that, yeah, the coin we have right now is in that wallet. No, the coin you have is not in your wallet, it's on the blockchain. Sorry. The coin is on the blockchain, the NFT is on the blockchain. All right. So the wallet you have is just a gateway for you to access that cryptocurrency or NFT that is on the blockchain. And the private key or the seed phrase is the key that you use that is needed for you to open the gateway for you to access the crypto and the NFT that is on the blockchain. This is why you can access your cryptocurrency using any crypto wallet you downloaded online, so long as you have a key. I don't know if this is clear. So yeah, and I hope I answered this question though. Yeah. And I believe some of us right now we have a better understanding
Very
of what
clear.
yeah, so that is it.
Thank you, Samuel. Thank you. Thank you for your time. It was a very, very interesting topic we debated today. And I think our users really hear us and they understand. For the users, I come once again. The formula is sent. So make sure you answer the question and also make sure the address USDT BP20 is attached to your wallet easy change. That is the most important thing. We are at the end of this live. We are thanking you from watching for watching us and from your various houses, your boutique, everywhere, anywhere you are. We are thanking you. Have a really wonderful evening or morning from where you are watching us from. Thank you and always choose easy change.
Thank you. Thank you.